Hello everyone, in this video we will test an LED display in Ignition Designer software. It is a component that shows numeric or text values using an LED-style digital font. It's typically used for dashboards or HMIs where you want a bright, clear digital readout look. You can connect it to a tag. Then it updates automatically as the tag value changes. The video is easy to follow, so please watch the video and I hope you enjoy it.